I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous wig from Blackmoon Hair Company. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh my goodness, girl, are you serious? Are you wearing a wig, or that's your real hair? You went to the salon, you relaxed your natural hair, and it came out like this. Because child, this wig looks like it's growing out of my scalp, because it really doesn't look like a wig. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. It's natural. I love everything about it, guys. Just look at that. Look at this. Cute, right? If you're interested in watching this video, please do stay tuned. And also, thank you so much to Blackmoon Hair Company for being today's sponsor. We love collaborations on this channel. If you're interested in buying this wig, please do check the description box down below. And yeah, guys, that's about it. That's about it for the intro. Let's get straight into the installation, okay? Enjoy today's video.
You can try to fool yourself like you love somebody else. But you and him will never feel the way we do.
So guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Blackmoon Hair Company. They were kind enough to send me a wig cap and a pair of eyelashes. I love these lashes. They are of good quality. As you all saw in the beginning, I was actually wearing them and I look so cute, child. I'm truly impressed by this unit. It is so soft. Trust me, it is really soft. It is a lightweight 26-inch lace front straight wig. I'm impressed with the quality, the length, and how soft the lace is. The lace is not itchy at all. As usual, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. Don't forget to check the description box for more information on this gorgeous unit.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else. But you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head.
I personally don't like bleaching the knots. I use concealer and powder to match my complexion and to cover those little black knots without the risk of chemical damage. In this case, the lace will last longer and less likely to ever experience balding.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or